everyone, this is another pandemic traveler video, and today I'm at the main street of Katoomba, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of what the main street looks like. So there's all sorts of funky eclectic sort of shops, like Incantations, which has all this little like LED light sort of stuff. You can probably see lots of different natural fiber clothing, just all your general hippy dippy sort of needs. What else is there around? So Katoomba wines, Omnia, a little bit of everything, so clothes, toys, stuff like that. Papadino's Pizzeria, Bamboo Box, Asian food with like breakfast stuff as well. Boss Noodles. Of course they have a bank. Well, I think there's two banks, so there's the ANZ, there's also the Commonwealth. Across the road there, they have the Carrington Hotel, more cafes, more funky shops selling opals, stuff like that. Over here is an Anglican church. I think that's St. Hilda's, so doesn't look too old, but not too new either. The Commonwealth Bank. What's this? Mr. Pickles, rare and old books and antiques. The Old Paragon restaurant. Ooh, some cool things here. So pretty much Blue Mountains and Katoomba in general, it's like a really hippie, eclectic sort of place to either visit or live. Of course, you got all sorts of different people here as well, and normal shops too, like Katoomba Camera House, Paragon, Lloyd's Boutique Clothing, Town Centre Arcade, Good Bites Texas. That's closed actually. So further down, I'm not going to go all the way down the street because I don't know, it kind of gets a little bit quieter, but the main street of Katoomba pretty much has everything you could want, you know, from your spectacle shop to get your glasses, different banks, Coles, an Aldi, and this morning I went to this amazing sort of really funky, with a beautiful layout, little cafe sort of restaurant place that basically sells mainly sandwiches and stuff. I think it's called Yellow Glen Deli. I think it's Yellow Deli, something like that. Sorry, do you know what the deli's called down the road? That weird place that does the sandwiches?
I'm sorry, we're not from here.
Okay, thank you. It's like a sandwich shop run by some community people, but I can't remember the name. I went there earlier. Anyway.
We're from an hour away.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so I'm thinking it's called like Yellow Glen Deli. That's what I think. And supposedly it's some sort of community-based thing, like some sort of a Christian community that run it, like sort of fundamentalist Christians maybe. From what I've heard, like they're not allowed really to cut their hair, wear makeup. They dress really sort of sensibly, you might call it. No short skirts, things like that. And oh my gosh, the food was absolutely amazing. I got a Reuben sandwich with like homemade bread that they make from there. It was like unbelievable. So if you get to Katoomba, I really suggest going to, it's down near the roundabout, so it's on the main road, sorry, the shopping strip of Katoomba, like Katoomba Shops, main strip, and it's where the roundabout is, and is absolutely, whoa, sorry buddy, it was absolutely amazing. Nearly got hit by a car. Wow, not a great way to make a video. But yeah, next time I'm coming here, I definitely will be trying to go back and try some of the other delectable delights that they have. The decor of the place is absolutely amazing. It's sort of like all this old wood made things, and like, it's really hard to describe, but really hippie sort of, and just in general amazing. So I'll give you another little bit of a look of the street instead of always showing you my head, even though you can see some stuff in the background, but yeah. Alright, so once again, this has been a Pandemic Traveller video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you know anyone that might be interested in seeing my videos, please share them with them. Once again, Pandemic Traveller video. Peace out.